Hi Taurus, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your career, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Taurans, it's quite a lovely month. October 11th, we have Jupiter that is going to be changing signs. Jupiter changes signs annually, and I'm going to be speaking about it more in detail later. Let's have a look as to how the month is broken up for you. On the 5th, we have a full moon, Taurans, for you in a part of your chart that is all about behind the scenes. It's the house of research. It's a place where we go and recharge our emotional batteries. Now, you may have an overwhelming desire to be by yourself as we open up the month, and there could be this. It is possible that some of you may have been really busy. That you've been running around trying to do chores or just being busy with life, and around the 5th, there could just be this sense of I just want to take a break. I just want to unplug. I don't want to be dealing with people or maybe even too much of mundaneness. And it's a great time to be in touch with what is beneath the surface, Taurans. It's a good time to be in touch with your soul. If something has been hurting, if something has not been feeling right, and you've been just numbing yourself or you've been burying yourself in work, this is a time to be just opening up and looking at it and seeing as to how it is that you can heal yourself. On the 11th, we have Jupiter. He's moving to your house of relationship and marriage, and he is going to be there till about 8th of November 2018. And Jupiter, he's also known as the god of the sky. He's Zeus. He's the giver. There's everything that is wonderful about Jupiter, barring of course that you can tend to exaggerate things a bit. But with Jupiter coming in your house of relationships, both professional and personal, it's extremely conducive to partnering. It's a great time to be getting married. It's a great time to be sorting out things if there's been trouble with your partner, and you get an entire year. Also for business relationships, if you form a partnership during this time, it's normally extremely beneficial to both the partners, and it is likely that this year you will solidify a partnership or a relationship, and also a partner from a different cultural background could just come and expand your mind and could open up your things to other ways of living and doing things, which could put a really another perspective, another spin as to how it is that you really view the world. And you can also for some of you, if things have been really challenging as far as your relationships are concerned, you'll find that it's it won't come as a shock first of all, but it'll be better. You'll just find that things have sort of tapered off, they've come to an end, and only to make way for better things in your life to come. So let go something which has not been working, Taurans. Don't be afraid, don't be fearful, and don't cling on too much. If there's been a lot of pain in your life, just release it and make space for something new and wonderful. On the 15th, we have Venus that is moving into your house of day-to-day chores and also health. And Venus is all about love, beauty, romance, and also money. So over here, you will find that the day-to-day chores, even though they are mundane, they'll get done quite smoothly, and they could also be a sense of taking more control of your health. You could be more careful about what you're eating. Try not to indulge yourself, because Venus being out there, the sweet tooth can really get activated. On the 18th, we have Mercury that is moving into your house of relationships, partnerships, and marriage, and it's a time where you could be weighing all the pros and the cons. You could be looking at your situation, and you could be articulating. There could be a sense of fearlessness while speaking or while sharing your thoughts, and you could be taking others' accounts into others' needs into account as well as your own. And there's Mercury in this house of partnership will bring about this sense to be naturally be more cooperative. So even though you can be accused of being extremely stubborn and being quite married to your own thought and ideas, With Mercury being over here, you will be quite happy to debate, understand and talk through things, and not just sort of take a perspective and say, okay, I don't want to deal with this. On the 19th, we have a new moon that is there in your house of day-to-day chores and your health, which indicates new opportunity to be maybe taking a second look at your health regime, at how it is that you are, what is it that you're eating, how it is that you're taking care of your health, the food, your diet, and also because it has to do with work. In certain cases it can be maybe something, a new work comes along, maybe your office gets changed. In certain cases it can be a freelance work, something may not be really permanent on a longer term, but it could just come your way. On the 23rd, we have Mars that is moving also into your house of day-to-day chores, and it's in your house of health as well. Mars, of course, will give you the energy to go through your routines and to tend to speed things up for you. So while it's wonderful to have energy at your disposal and be able to really go out and do your workouts and get your day-to-day work done, but try not to be too rash as well, because Mars can make you quite restless. So don't push yourself as far as your workout is concerned. Try not to overdo it, and just scale things up a little bit, Taurians. On the 23rd, we have Sun that is moving into your house of partnerships, and a lovely time for Sun to be coming and shining, and saying that explore the partnerships better. If there are certain unresolved issues, maybe this is a time that you need to be speaking it out. It's a time to be firming the bond that is there with both business as well as personal partnerships. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Taurians. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.